Jack has become soft. The baby really changed him. Swaz is catching up on all this while Figile suffers. Noma Sebe learns that her boyfriend lied to her about her mom, and he is jealous of Usem. Tao asks Lulu to spy on the pastor, while pastor signs a deal with Muroka. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Generations. So Jack has been uneasy since the dream about her mom trying to take his son away from him, saying ukuthi he pushes away everyone that he loves, and umawake abandoned him, saying ukuthi he's cursed. So now he's worried that his son won't make it because he believes that the baby Uswas is carrying as a son, and begs Ujiwagon to help him save his son. So they go for a checkup as Jack is a present father. Whereas it's like he's been waiting for this moment his whole life to do all these fatherly things. They go for a checkup, no Swazi. The doctor says that the heartbeat is fine, baby is okay. Jack already wanted to know what the gender of the baby is because he believes Swazi is carrying a boy. Swazina is acting all relieved. She goes, oh, I'm so glad the baby is okay. Because obviously, if the baby dies, then Usaz won't get all her money, I guess. And carrying Inganega Mabaso then comes with power and money. So now, Ujek wants them to do some cultural things to protect the baby. Ngapha uNomasebe with her abusive boyfriend, she's really going through the most, hey? This guy can't even be happy for her. Insists ukuthi uSam needs to go away from her because ufuna ukulala noMasebe. Kanti uSam is trying to help her find her mom, while Umzi asked uNonhle to find Nomasebe's mom without telling her, because he wants to hide all this information from Nomasebe. Nonhle revealed this information. Nomasebe wasn't happy. Now he lies saying that he was trying to protect her. Kanti uqamba mang. Unomasebe just trying to see ukuthi instead of accounting, he decides to leave. He comes back saying ukuthi yes, we need to leave Joburg because Ijos is the one that's corrupting uthando lethu. It's poisonous. I knew ukuthi we are not going to work because of Joburg. Kune distraction ending. And Unomasebe was like, no man, you lied to me. Just take accountability. Now say watch your mouth. That's why don't you just hit me because that's what you always do. Because this music guy is always abusing Unomasebe. He hits her, strangles her. Also, like, just hit me because it makes you feel better about your meaningless life. I think that this guy just shadows Unomasebe everywhere. Unomasebe then collapsed. I wonder what's going on. I hope she's not pregnant, hey? And then Okama goes home with his dirty laundry, saying Gutu Ululama has been busy and hasn't had time to cook or clean or wash clothes. Umakata, are you talking about your girlfriend or your maid la? You must learn to do things for yourself. I'm happy that Mama Kamu is not expecting Lulama to do these things for Wanahai, hey? And then, but this guy, Wamuroka, he's always like very judgmental, and is not supportive at all. Handy Komoka, this guy, Now, Kama went back to Ululama. Ululama now gets a message from Dao saying that he wants to meet on a public holiday in Nohal. And then Lulama goes to meet with Tao. Hanti Tao wants the unthinkable. Unyaka Lulama to spy on the to dig some dirt on the pastor, saying that he has cheated before, and people don't just cheat once. If he's done it before, he's gonna do it again. So the skeletons that he's hiding in the closet, you better find them. Lulama says, I cannot do that. We've got a choice. I'm telling you to do this. It's not that you have a choice, Munna. And while the pastor is already signing a deal with this guy, Wamuroka, and this guy is always like judging him, Guti Wena, you know all about sleeping up, like he is without sin. So this guy is already signed a deal with Wamuroka. So this thing that Mahara is trying to do, no Lulama, like she's just be swinging between Mohale and Moroka because they all want to get back at each other, and they're using Lulama, both of them. And then now suggesting that Umelo must do some cultural or traditional or ritual thing to protect her baby. Kanjani because Umelo caller. Why is she now wanting her to do these things? Now she's going to invite some bad omens to her pregnancy. Ulama is against it, but because Umelo knows Kuala in the last time she called some person who came to cleanse because that Tumalinga. Now this girl Umingi is insisting that Nontle writes a book because Nontle said she doesn't want to do it anymore. Rocked up Kotau and decided that she's going to wait for Nontle. Now she's drinking. Tao is busy telling her to go because Nontle is not coming back. Now she's mad saying, why is everyone trying to get rid of me? Jiki Jiki Uhaga Tao. Tao is like, yo, When Nontle comes back, it's just like, but what is she doing here? Because Shu Muturo Bejiko couching. When she wants you to write her book. Nontle is like, nope, not me. I'm not doing that. I'm done with her for good. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.